Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akins here as always, and I'm back with another. Today is a Gele tutorial video, so let's get into it. Today I'll be showing you guys how to tie the Zara cap. So let's get into today's video today. So for the hard part of the front of it, I've just got a flyer that I was given on the road. So I've just folded this into two. Got my material, and I'm gonna choose the edging, do the edging part, and then just put it in here, put it in, and then I just fold it. Right, so place one part is longer than the other. So I'm just gonna place it on my forehead. Like so. I adjusted the material with my hand so I can give it that shape. So I was shaping it on my head, and then once the shape was achieved, I turned round to tie it and secure it at the back. Once that was nice and secure, I came round to the front, but using my hand to adjust it again to give it that look. And I took one of the side of the material and I just folded them into each other and then just placed it right in front of the front of the hard gele. So the front of the material, just placed it over my forehead. So across my forehead on one side, and then I pinned it, and then I did the other hand of the gele, the other side of the gele as well, folded it in and across my forehead, and that's how I achieved this look. And I think that's it, guys. Keep watching. That's it, guys. That's the end of today's tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time Lizzie Akins upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms: TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And be sure to follow that. Let's be friends. Take care. Bye.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again.